Welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a software company. So I am an owner of a software company and I receive inquiries on WhatsApp by my customers every day. And replying to them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, now whenever by the customer I receive any message on WhatsApp, any inquiries, automatically this bot is going to reply to them. The bot can share the different services that I provide, the prices of the basic plans as well as the contact details directly to my support team. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an interactive professional WhatsApp chatbot for a software company using Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how this chatbot actually works from the customer's perspective, okay? So this is the bot that I've created and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. So let's suppose for the message, I'm going to send it as, hey, I want to know about the services that you provide, okay? I'm going to send this message to this bot. And as soon as I'm going to do that, automatically I have received this message. Hi, welcome to WebSpark Technologies, smart digital solutions for your growing business. May I know your name? So let's suppose for the name, I'm going to send it as test to this bot right here. It says, nice to meet you, Test. Could you share your email address? For the email address, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com. Okay, I'm going to send this email address. As soon as I'm going to do that, automatically I have received the business card of this business. With that, I've received this welcome message and some options. I'm going to select this Know Our Services option and I've received the image of all the services. With that, I've received the name of the services over here as well. And you can see automatically this bot is going to reply to all my messages in this manner right over here. And in this video, we're going to learn how to create this amazing chatbot step by step with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for creating the bot, as we're going to use Pabbly Chatflow, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. I'm going to browse the website and you can see Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is then going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to test your bot. But if you're an existing user, directly sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we're going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right here. As soon as I'm going to do that, you can see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In Pabbly Chatflow, if you want to add your own number, you have to click on this button right over here. You have two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how you can connect your WhatsApp number with both of these methods, you can find the tutorials of these videos in the description box below and you can add your own WhatsApp number. Now over here, Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant and settings. In settings, there are multiple options. So now if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow one by one and in brief, you can check out the tutorials that we have already created and posted on our YouTube channel for each feature. So now in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, we have to go towards this flows section right here. Then the flow builder page of our Pabbly Chatflow account is going to appear in front of you. And now to create a new bot, we have to add a new flow. Okay, for that, click on this button, Add Flow right over here. A new flow has been created and firstly, I am going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp Chatbot for a software company. This is the name I want to give to my flow. After naming the flow, you can see it says Flow Start. How this flow is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex and choose template. So firstly, we're going to discuss about keywords. So let's suppose you have entered few keywords in this field right here and a customer sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message. Then this flow is going to be triggered from here. Now, using a template, you have sent a broadcast message to all your customers and you have selected that template over here as your flow start. If a customer is going to send a reply towards the template, this bot is going to be triggered from here. Now we're going to discuss about regex. What is regex? Regex is regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text. And over here for the regex, I have a special character. So as I'm going to enter that special character in this regex field, automatically whenever a customer sends any messages on my WhatsApp number towards my bot, this bot is going to be triggered from here, okay? So I'm going to enter that special character right here. So this is the special character. With the help of this character, any of the WhatsApp messages is going to trigger this bot, okay? If you want to use this character for your own flow, for your business, you can find this in the description box below, okay? So now over here, I have entered the regex. After entering the regex, I'm going to toggle this button on right here. It is not mandatory to toggle the button on. Toggle the button on in the case of sensitive regex only, okay? So now as I've done that, after flow start, what I want to do is, I want to collect my customers' data first, like their name and their email address. So for doing that, we have to ask questions. So now for asking question, go back to actions right here. And we have this field ask question. Add it in this flow right here, okay? After that, over here for the message for my first question, I'm going to write it as, so this is my first message. Hi, welcome to WebSpark Technologies, Smart Digital Solutions for Growing Businesses. In this message, you can see between the WebSpark Technologies, I've added these 2 stars. If you're going to add stars in the front and in the end of any sentences or words, that sentence is going to be formatted as bold, okay? So this is how you format, okay? Now it says, may I know your name, please? So now this bot is collecting the data of the name of my customer. So now where the data of this name is going to be recorded, for that you can use the amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom field. You can create your own contact custom field. I have created a contact custom field in the name of full name. And in this field, the data of this name is going to be recorded of my customer, okay? So now I've selected the contact custom field in the name of full name. For the format of the reply, I'm going to select it as text, as we're going to receive the text reply over here to this answer. Number of attempts, I want to give it as 1. And for the validation message, I want to write it as error. So let's suppose if the reply is not according to the selected format, they will receive a validation message of error right here. Now this is my first message that bot is going to send to my customer. I want to connect my question to this flow start right here. For that, simply from this point, drag it and connect it to this point of this question right here. You can see an arrow. First step is connected to next step. Now after asking the name, I want to ask the email address. For that, add another ask question field. And for the question, I'm going to write it as, so this is my next question that I have, that is nice to meet you, $full name. So over here I've added this $full name because I want to add the data of the name of my customer that I'm going to receive from this step to this step right here. For that, as I've created the record of the name in this contact custom field full name, so what I can do is I can add the contact custom field name right over here, that is full name, and in front of it add a $sign to extract the data from the contact custom field, okay? It says nice to meet you, $full name. Could you please share your email address so that we can stay connected? I've created a contact custom field in the name of email. I'm going to select that. Format of the reply is going to be email. Number of attempts 1 and the validation message is going to be error, okay? So this is my second question. These are the 2 questions I want to ask towards my customer by this bot. After collecting the data, now what I want is I want to send them an image of my business card. A welcome greeting message should be forwarded with the number of options. So firstly, I want to attach a greeting card, a business card of mine. For that, from this point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media. Media type, I'm going to select it as image, as I'm going to upload an image. If you want to use video, audio, or document, you can do that according to your requirement. Either paste the media URL right over here, directly upload the media by clicking on this button. This window is going to appear in front of you, and this is my business card, so I'm going to select it and upload it over here in this media URL field. As I'm going to do that, you can see my business card has been successfully uploaded in this field right here. Now I'm going to click on this add content button and select the content type as text plus button, as now with this business card I want to send a greeting message. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message that I have, that is thanks $full name. You are now connected with WebSpark Technologies. Please choose one of the option below to continue. For the option, I'm going to add a button in this message. I'm going to add 3 buttons over here in this message. In a message, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons only. So now we have to name all these buttons. So I'm going to give the name of 3 of these buttons over here as, So these are the name of my 3 buttons, that is Know Our Services, Pricing Plans and Talk to Support. Okay. If a customer selects our first button, that is Know Our Services, what message should be forwarded to them? For the services, I have created a template of my services. For that, firstly, I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. Content type, I'm going to first select it as media. For the media type, I'm going to select it as image because I have created a template of these services. I'm going to upload that service template right over here. This is the template. I'm going to open it and upload it in this field right here. The template is automatically going to be uploaded. Now with this image template, I want to send a message as well. For that, I'm going to click on this add content button. I'm going to click on this text plus button as my content type. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message that I have for the services. Here's what we offer at WebSpark Technologies: website design development, mobile app development, digital marketing, e-commerce store setup, chatbot, CRM automation. So these are the services that I provide in my business. Okay. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer with this button, that is Know Our Services. Next is pricing plans. So I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. For the content type, I'm going to select as text plus button. And for the message for the pricing plan, I'm going to write it as, so this is the button right here, that is, here's our standard pricing plan. Starter is $4,999 per month, professional $9,999 per month, and enterprise custom pricing tailored to your needs. Would you like to connect with our team? So right over here, this is the message for the pricing plans. Okay. So now to connect with our sales team, I'm going to add a button to this message, which is going to be connect with us. With the help of this button, the customer can connect with us. They will receive my team's email address and the phone number. I'm going to leave this step for a second right now. My last button is talk to support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply drag this point and drop it in this field right over here. For the content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button right here. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is my message right away, that is, our support team is here to assist you. This is the entire message. In the message, I've added the support email address and the phone number. Okay. And over here it says we strive to respond to you quickly as possible. You can see this is the entire message right over here for my customer. Now this message should be forwarded with this button as well, that is connect with us, as this customer should receive my support team's details with this button as well. Okay. So I've connected this button to the same message as well. Now with this message, I want to add a button. Over here, I want to add a button of back to main menu. With the help of this button, the customer can go back to this main menu that I've added right here. So I'm going to simply connect this dot to this main menu right over here. Okay. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded with the talk to support and the connect with us button over here. So this is the entire bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow for my software company. This is the basic bot that I've created right here. So now to save this bot that I've created, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. That means now this flow has been saved. Now I am going to test this bot. And how I am going to test this bot? By sending a WhatsApp message to this bot with my number. So this is the bot right over here, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to send it as, hey, tell me about your basic pricing plans. Okay, so this is the message I want to send to this bot. And yes, you can see right over here towards this message, I have received a message from this bot. Hi, welcome to WebSpark Technologies, smart digital solutions for businesses. May I know your name? So let's suppose for the name over here, I'm going to send it as demo user, and automatically this bot is going to reply, nice to meet you, demo user. It is asking for my email address, demo@pabblytudes.com. And as I'm going to do that, automatically you can see firstly I've received the business card of this company. I've received this message with some options, and as soon as I'm going to select any of the options, this bot is automatically going to reply me with the answer. Okay. So as you can see, this bot is automatically replying to all my messages. This means that this bot has been successfully created using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can also build a smart interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your software business using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, you can try this yourself right now, because Pabbly gives you 100 free credits to test and build your own chatbot. So go ahead and create your own version of your bot right now using Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.